Hey there, I'm Sam, and today I wanted to show you the Yes4All Foam Balance Pad. This one is the size large in the color red. So as you can see, it definitely offers support, but it is also kind of squishy enough so that it's not too hard to be able to sit on or kind of have your elbows on. I do use this for fitness, yoga, things like that, but I have been able to find so many other uses for this. The other day, I was actually building a desk, and so I was able to use this for support on like my knees so that it didn't hurt the whole time when I was building the desk. So this was actually a really great use for it. Similarly, I'm able to use it out in the yard, in the garden, doing yard work, things like that, so that I don't hurt it on twigs, branches, thorns. So yeah, it's a great use for that as well. And then when I bring it inside, I can just kind of wipe this down with a disinfectant wipe, a damp cloth, anything like that. Just kind of wipe it down, let it air dry. Because it is moisture resistant, so it's not going to absorb any of that moisture from anything. And then because it does offer like that support, this is also, like I said, it does offer that comfortability because it does have a little bit of squish to it. But I mean, so, if you even needed it for like a really hard chair or something, I've even used it for that. This thing is just so versatile. It really is. I've used it for so many different things. So if you were looking for something similar, then I would definitely recommend checking this one out.